So what bargains did we get from Newark? Well, we got Starfire head. In fact, this whole box of goodies. I don't know what that's from. Starfire case. A bit of welding we done on that. Starfire inner cases, that's those there. Xenodiode heat sinks, wheel hub, Starfire clutch, timing belt, looks like part of a rear peg, and no idea. Oh, looks like some sort of oh, that's a tensioner. It's got all those for £68, which is an absolute bargain because the head on its own is more than that. And we've got 21-inch wheel, which was advertised as a Suzuki one, but it's looking more like a Husqvarna one. And that'll go on the new project. That was a tenner. A Suzuki Beamish rear wheel apparently, and with the braking plate and the snail adjusters as well. That was a £20. That's recently been respoked as well, which is good. And a set of forks that we don't know what that's from, so we'll have to figure that out as well. But again, to go on the new project, and that was a whole tenner, obviously for refurb. So all in all, some good bargains there, and a good day out. So if you ever plan on going to Newark, you've got an idea of what it now looks like. And like I say, it's spread over 2 days. I think this year there was Carl Fogarty and James Whittam there, and Steve Plater as well. I don't know who will be there next year, but it's all in all, it's a great day out. Like I say, it spans over 2 days and well worth going.